Is your Android mobile data not working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to configure Android APN settings step by step and get your internet working again.
Without the correct APN settings, you won't be able to use mobile data. Resetting or updating your APN settings can help restore your service.
Go to Phone Settings. Tab on SIM and Network Settings. Tab on your SIM select for APN settings. Tab on Access Point Name. Tab on plus icon, add new Internet settings. Fill this page, Important Settings. Number 1 tab on Name. Number 2 tab on APN. Number 3 tab on Username. Number 5 tab on Server. Authentication type: PAP/CHAP. Tab on APN type. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Last, save your new APN settings. Select this settings after restarting your phone. Check your internet speed. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share.